So it's 10 days now after Twisha's death, and the mystery and the anguish and the outrage that continues. Her husband, Samarth, who remains on the run, absconding even as the police searches intensify. Meanwhile, Twisha's parents, they are distressed, obviously, but they have still refused to take custody of her mortal remains, insisting that their fight for answers is far from over. Now, in a grim revelation, the Bhopal police has informed the court that Twisha's body is beginning to decompose, but the legal battle over a second post-mortem and further investigation still escalates, as Twisha's family has now moved the Jabalpur High Court on multiple fronts. The family lawyer is saying that the plea challenges the anticipatory bail granted to a former judge, Giribala Singh, and also who is the mother-in-law of Twisha, and once again pushes for a second post-mortem examination for another autopsy. Now, the lawyer has demanded for a detailed investigation into alleged and purported audio tapes as well, calling for the call records and the identities of the people to be as Giribala Singh allegedly contacting after Twisha's death. And according to the family, these aspects were never fully investigated by the police. So several questions on part of the family of Twisha continues to be raised as the legal battle has now begun.
सर, इसमें एक आरोपी हैं गिरिबाला सिंह, जिनके अगेंस्ट 15 तारीख को एक एफआईआर रजिस्टर होती है। दहेज हत्या के संबंध में उसमें धाराएं लगती हैं, दहेज की धाराएं लगती हैं। उसमें क्लियर प्रिजम्पशन क्लॉज है इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट में सेक्शन 118 में कि आप किसी भी तरीके से जो प्रिजम्पशन है कि डाउरी डेथ की अगर कोई एफआईआर हुई है तो जिन आरोपी नामजद आरोपी हैं तो इनके वो प्रिजम्पशन माना जाएगा। इसी बात को जिला न्यायालय ने जब यहाँ से आवेदन उनका अग्रिम जमानत का उनको लाभ दिया है तो इसको मानने से मना कर दिया। इसीलिए हम इसके ऑर्डर को हम हाईकोर्ट चैलेंज कर रहे हैं आज कि इनकी बेल कैंसिल करी जाए। दोबारा पोस्टमार्टम के लिए हम हाईकोर्ट जाएंगे, इसीलिए जाएंगे क्योंकि मजिस्ट्रेट ने हमारा आवेदन खारिज नहीं करा इस आधार पर कि सेकंड पोस्टमार्टम नहीं होना चाहिए। उनका भी मानना है कि होना चाहिए, लेकिन हम दिल्ली के लिए ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते। अगर ऑडियो सही है तो उसका सत्यापन इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी करेगा। हर जो संभव सही तरीके हैं उससे वो, अब चाहे वो सीज करेगा, फिर सीज करने के बाद उसमें जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट है, किसकी आवाज है, नहीं है, कब बना, कहां बना, कैसे बना, हर चीज फाइनलाइज करेगा इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी। और अगर वो सत्य होता है तो उनकी बातों से पता चलता है कि उन्होंने 5 महीने उस बच्ची के साथ क्या करा है। अगर वो सच है और वो गिरिबाला सिंह ही है तो किस तरह के घिनौने गंदे आरोप लगा रही हैं वो, तो पता चलता है कितना उनके द्वारा प्रताड़ित किया गया है बच्ची को।
Now, when we speak of exactly when it comes to Twisha's family, which has decided to move the High Court, let's tell you what the in-laws have now responded. So let's get you exactly what the police commissioner has also confirmed, that the reward money to trace Twisha's absconding husband Samar, that has also been increased, even as the investigators claim that they are examining every possible lead and documenting every piece of evidence that is said to be connected with the case. So in this breaking update, what we are learning as far as the twist is now concerned, here is Giribala Singh, the former judge who is now seeking seizure and judicial probe of the victim family's mobile numbers. Now, this is a breaking update which we are picking up. As far as Twisha Sharma's mother-in-law, Giribala Singh, has filed an application in the court through her advocate, and the application seeks certain directions for a judicial inquiry. Now, in the plea, the request has been made for mobile numbers of Twisha's family members to be seized. Let's connect with Rucha on this. Rucha has been tracking all of the updates from Madhya Pradesh. Rucha, good morning. We are told that demands has been raised for a fair investigation, and of course looking into the certain chats and audio clips that has been circulating in the video, and of course when it comes to the investigation, that Giribala Singh herself, being a former judge, is now seeking investigation into the numbers, the mobile numbers of Twisha's relatives and family members.
Well, Giribala Singh, who's the former judge of the district court, is well aware how the legal proceedings take place. And yesterday we saw Twisha's family had reached the court and had shared some of the contacts that Giribala Singh had called. There were about 45 numbers, phone numbers that she had dialed after the demise of Twisha. But now, to challenge it, Twisha's mother-in-law, Giribala Singh, has reached court and has filed an application which tells the court to seize the mobile numbers and check the details of WhatsApp chats, call recordings, or any other pictures that are provided to across media, because she is now alleging that some of the chats or some of the recordings that are being played is forged, and that is why
well, being a former judge herself, she's very well aware especially when it comes to how the legal system works. And while it comes to Twisha's family, they too have been seeking legal recourse, of course, wanting justice for their daughter. It's been 10 days. However, Twisha still has not been cremated. Her last rites still haven't taken place. And this is going to be a legal fight that for the family that has been continuing. In the meantime, speaking of the developments and seeking a cancellation of the anticipatory bail that was granted to the former judge Giribala Singh, this is also something that is also being taken up by Twisha's family. And also when it comes to the whereabouts of Samarth, Twisha's husband, it's been 10 days and he continues to remain on the run and he is untraceable. Well, for the moment, Rucha, thank you very much for joining in. Remains to be seen if the investigation would be handed over to a higher agency. We're going to head into a very short break. You're watching Times Now.